Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today, let's take the Grizzly out. But first, we gotta figure out why she won't start. Try to get her running, because I have some crazy ideas I want to do with it. And you can't do it if you don't get her running. If y'all remember correctly, she smokes really bad. So I'm thinking we go ahead and pull the spark plug off and maybe she will run. So we got the tool, we got the socket, let's take it off. We lost it. Where'd it go? And as always, guys, I was correct about the spark plug. It is terrible. We don't even have a couple hours on it. I really do think the valve was sticking on this thing because it's ticking really bad. We rebuilt the engine and it's still really bad. So I think the valve is just gone. And I might just go ahead and buy all of it again, just rebuild it again because this is just bothering me. I mean, just look at that, guys. That's no bueno. And this right here, people, in case you're wondering, is less than 15-20 minutes, maybe 10 at the most. That shows you how fast it got gummed up. So let's clean it off. Well, we got it pretty good, I think. I mean, so the one reason you might wonder, like I said, we rebuilt this thing. It ran for maybe 10-15 minutes and it started smoking again. So, or not 10-15, I think it was more like 5-10 miles. Like we were riding, all of a sudden it started smoking really bad. I think the valves, one of the valves is messed up, is getting stuck. Because I'm not saying I'm the best motor rebuild guy, but I do know what I'm doing. I'm not like a terrible guy who, when I rebuild something, it messes up immediately. I'm having bad luck lately, but I think we'll go ahead buy a whole brand new jug. I mean, again, I probably don't need a jug. I probably use the rings and anything, but I just want to do a full rebuild because last time we just put rings and we put the head gasket, and what happened was, I don't think I can get in there to show y'all it anymore, but there was a bolt that goes right inside the front jug. The guy I bought it from, he rebuilt it and he didn't put it in, so it didn't take me long playing in the mud to destroy it. So let's put the spark plug in, let's get the keys and see if this thing actually runs. Now, I think she will, and then we're gonna go play in the mud because I really need some mud. We are planning on taking the 6x6 and try to finish the snorkel off, see if we can go all the way to the top. But she's having really bad issues today, so the Grizzly's just gonna have to take up the slack. Okay, got the spark plug on, turn the key on. It's been a while, choke's on. Will she start? Oh, wow. All we had to do was clean the spark plug. She started right up. And she smokes really bad. Let's go ahead and check the oil because it's best to go ahead and check that. If not, we might run out of oil. I thought about taking that thing out, but we have a really bad wheel bearing. It was good the other day. She's not no bueno no more. Luckily, I have some spares. So let's check the oil in the Grizzly and Grizzly, and let's take it out and play in some mud. I got a couple places I want to go right fast, and let's see what we can get into. Bond, baby, bond! Yeah, we might have a little exhaust leak while we're at it. Look at the little rings, guys. Look. Can y'all see that? Look at the little smoke rings. Boop, boop. I was just thinking a second ago, I've been getting this thing ready. I put air on the tires. We're running out of foilers. That one, I don't know what's wrong with it. I cleaned the spark plug and it made it run better for a little while. Then it started messing up again. Hoping it's just a cord, but I don't know. That wheel band's out, so we don't have no foilers right now. And this one, it barely runs. So let's take this out and have a little fun, see what we can get into. This is our new little path. I think I showed it last week, but a lot nicer with a smaller foiler though. That 6x6 last week, it's just too long. You cannot whip it like this. Whoa! We about lost that tile. I don't think this thing's lasting much longer. Like, is this, I mean, I've seen smoke before, but it's blowing smoke rings are smoking so bad. Lock. Ah! We can't stop. What is going on? That engine is not happy. We definitely got to do something, guys. This thing is getting terrible, but we're just running out of four-wheelers, and we definitely got to get some stuff fixed, definitely. But what are you going to do, guys? I bought 2 more four-wheelers to make it so we could go ahead, get them fixed, sell them, make some money, so we can go ahead and do some like builds and stuff. And things aren't working, like the parade. We bought that back in like January. Here it is April, middle of April. We still haven't got nothing done with it because the parts are taking forever, and when we get the parts are wrong or something. It's just one of those years, guys. I mean, you're gonna have those moments, but the fact that now, I was not that worried because, hey, we got the 6x6, it's running. We have the Polaris, it's still running. They're not running anymore. The Polaris needs a wheel band. I don't have a wheel band. It'll take a week and a half to get here. The 6x6, I might be able to clean the car up, but I'm not for sure. It's just not dead. I mean, at least this thing is still bouncing around, but as y'all can see with that smoke, I don't give it very long. If I get another 5-10 minutes out of this engine, I mean, I've been driving it for like 15 minutes now. I'll be surprised before the spark plug gets too foul and stops again. Anyways, let's keep throwing it around. I'm just going to go ahead and throw it right at the deep part and call it a day. We're going to kill it. Might as well kill it in the deep end. If you let off the throttle, it dies. I was gonna get off and take a good picture of it sitting in the deep end, but as you can see, it dies as soon as you cut it off. Or not cut it off, you let it over the throttle. The mail lady's gonna think we've caught something on fire with all this smoke. Here comes the fire department. Luckily, I am in the fire department, so I know where I'm at. But like, they'll call and be like, hey, don't worry, guys, it's me, I'm good. I just keep trying to catch this thing on fire. People always talk crap about these Zillas, but honestly, as long as you keep them rolling, they'll just keep floating off. You just jump off, kind of wiggle a little bit, she'll come right out. I mean, Zillas are just, I don't know, I'll never understand the hatred of Zillas. I've always loved oh my gosh, we've lost it. Fudge. Guys, that's not good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you know how 5 seconds ago I was talking about how, oh, it can't get much worse. I mean, we'll just run it until it blows up or something happens. Something already happened, and one of the trees. Our cap has vanished. So, yeah, plus there's oil in there. I don't know how that happens. Like, somebody explain, well, I know how it happens, though. I'm saying that just to say it, but, anyways, I guess we're screwed now. Now we're just gonna take it home. I mean, I don't see it floating. I mean, come on, can I just have 5 seconds without something going wrong? Like, I wasn't going that bad, I don't think.
Flashback. End of flashback.
I lied. Wait, is that the cap? Is that the cap? No, that's just nothing floating. Dang it. I mean, you think the cap would float. It's probably stuck in the four-wheeler. Well, guys, I guess this video is getting cut short just like the last one because we just can't. I don't know, guys. We were just not having good luck with keeping things together this week. Like, this is the second thing I've taken out this week to do a video, and it didn't last more than 5 seconds before it broke. Oh, gosh. I need this cap, though. I don't want to have to order another cap. Not saying I can't order another cap. Not saying I can't afford it. But, guys, come on. This is too much, guys. This is too much. Oh, joy. Anyways, guys, I guess I'll catch you when, I don't know where this video is going from here. We'll get something done. Maybe we'll work on a four-wheeler. Maybe we have something else going on. We'll do something. But first, I'm going to spend the next 30 minutes trying to find my cap because I don't feel like ordering a cap because I'm sure it's like a $2 cap and Partzilla charges you like $10 shipping. So I'll be paying like $15 for a $2 cap. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you later.
Eventually.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I did not do an outro because I was going to do a whole next part of this video, but things didn't work out. We did get the parade out together, and it seems to run. I think with the new jug and everything, the head gasket ain't a problem. But we apparently have a short somewhere because it actually melted the wires off. So, yeah, we ain't going nowhere. We did get this fixed, but I don't know if I'm going to drive it. I'm kind of scared of it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video where we blew up the Grizzly. I already have all the parts. It should be here in 2 days, and happy Easter, guys, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video.